Welcome back to the channel. We're in the garage today. I'm going to show you guys what I'm driving for a daily. It's a 2004 Honda Accord EX V6. Great little car. It's what I call a granny spec. It was my parents' car, and long story about that. They're getting older. They don't use the car anymore. And it was a good opportunity for me to take it over as a daily, especially since I'm not in Manhattan right now. But anyway, I'll show you guys this car real quick. But I noticed, since they don't drive this car a lot, it needs new tires. And if you look at the date code on these tires, I think it'll surprise you. All right, we're looking at the tires now. So these are Firestone tires, 205/60 R16. Most people are familiar with that, the size of the tires. But if you want to know what year the tire was manufactured, you have to look at the dot code right here, the DOT number. So DOT, here it is right here, the 3713. So the 13 is for 2013, and it's 2023 now. So these tires are freaking 10 years old, so they got to go. The 37 is the 37th week of 2013, so they're not quite 10 years old, but still they got to go. But look at these tires. Considering they don't look bad, I don't know how well you can tell on camera there, but I mean, considering that these tires are freaking 10 years old. But you know, this is something people don't talk about, but they should talk about, because it's dangerous to ride on old tires. They think that if the tread looks good, that the tire is okay. And that's not true. So this car's in great shape though. It's been garage kept. You know, the paint's in great shape. It's clean, hasn't been in any accidents. We'll take a look around real quick. You know, it's nothing fancy at all. I call it granny spec because, you know, it's like a grandmother's car. It's white with tan interior. So we're going to take a look inside of the car right now. It's in great shape. The paint's in great shape. The interior is in great shape. It is a V6, and it's an EX V6. It only has 70,000 miles. 72.8. I don't have the key on me, I don't think. But it's 72.8. Or I do have the key. So you can see there, it's very low mileage, considering it's nearly 20 years old. Nothing fancy, you know. It's got the fake wood, leather seats. It's front wheel drive. It's not as fun as, you know, other cars out there, obviously, but I like it because I'm invisible. I am invisible in this car. Really, everybody should have a car like this if they can afford to. A car that you don't have to worry about. I'm a neat freak, so I'm still going to keep everything clean. I'm probably going to correct the paint. It'll give me something to do this spring. I've got a dual action polisher, and I've got a foam cannon, pressure washer, and a cordless dryer. So I'm going to have fun with that. And we're going to start doing stuff with the Z finally. The Z, which is over here, covered up. That car, getting historic tags for that car this month. Getting new tires for that as well. We're going to get Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires for that and get that going. So that's going to be a lot of fun. But anyway, the main point of this video was to say you got to change your tires, you know. Even if they're in great shape. If they're 10 years old, they definitely got to go. I think it's recommended 6 to 7 years for most manufacturers, but it's one of those things that you can have a catastrophic failure on the highway and lose control. You know, they're not going to grip and perform the way that they're supposed to. And I think it's something that more people should be aware of, you know. Got to change those tires. So I want to get back to doing more vlogs like this that are very natural instead of just the voiceovers. Like if you've seen my other content, I've done a lot of voiceovers. I found that that's just easy. When I go to the car shows or the museums, they often have music playing, and then I don't have to worry about copyright with the music if I do voiceovers, and I don't have to worry about other things as well. It's just easier. But stay tuned. Lots of fun stuff coming, guys. Like and subscribe.